What's your go-to tool?
Well, now it's a tape measure. Tape measure and a pen.
Where are you when you're not here?
Home during the weekdays, on the weekends, hunting, fishing, golfing, basically that, if I'm not working at the house. Yeah. No, I had probably about 5 years or so experience before coming here, working with various smaller contractors, doing everything from framing, siding, building houses, basically anything that general contractors would do. So I started out as just a labor helper. Within a couple years I took over siding crew as a foreman and also did the windows, and then eventually moved up to bathrooms, also took on the responsibility of doing measures from time to time, and then within the last year and a half I've now become a manager on a daily basis. Once the design consultants make a sale, I will then follow up and make sure everything's sold correctly, get the exact measurements, make sure the product is ordered properly, then also make material lists so that we have the lumber and any other material needed for the job. It was the first place I ever worked for where I could think about my future rather than just working to pay my bills every week. Whether it's health insurance, 401k, very competitive pay, time off. So as long as you're willing to buckle down, work hard, you can get rewarded for it.
That was it. That was
You're
like,
free.
that was like 10 minutes, man.